Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How are you?
Good morning.
Good morning, Vichas.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. How's everyone doing?
Ma'am,
Good morning, ma'am.
fine.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning. I think we were on.
Question answers.
Yes. Which question we were doing?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Beta.
Ma'am, last two questions are
We
left.
have last 2 questions left.
Fine. Fine.
And ma'am, you have given us the activity, and I read so many newspapers, but I didn't found any news related to water scarcity. But I found
Morning.
news related to water.
Okay, so that is also fine. It is okay.
Ma'am, I have made it.
You have made very good. Can you show it here on the
Yes,
screen?
ma'am.
Can you show it here?
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
screen? But it is okay. Okay. Fine. It is okay. But then, Angel, what we need to do, we need to confine this whole thing into a page. Like you have done it on 4 pages, no? Let us do it only on one single
No,
page.
ma'am. I have stick the chart paper in my notebook.
This is what, no, this is something which I don't want to have. Reason being, unnecessary efforts we have to do for opening it, right? So why not do it on a single page where it is easy to.
Ma'am, the reports and news pictures are very big. That's why.
But then we don't want everything there. We need only collage, right? I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you how a collage looks like. Give me a second. Give me a second. Yes, somebody was saying something.
Ma'am, can we use 2 pages?
Yes, it can be, side by side, but don't fold pages.
Yes,
because that way, that way it takes away the charm of the work that is done. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh. So give me a minute. I'll show you how a collage look like.
And we have to make a collage on what?
Just a second, Laksh. Just a second. Give me a minute.
What is Kelsey?
Let me open my this thing. Just 2 minutes, huh? It's coming. Can you see on the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
What is showing on the screen?
Ma'am, to save the vulture.
See, it is just one single page and how these cuttings have been put. Angel, you have really done a very good work, but the only thing that you need to do is you don't have to put whole thing, just the highlighted portion that we have, like it is written, no, government on save vulture task, all not lost tigers alive in Kunu, tigers for Siriska, CBI to probe Ranthambore tiger deaths, rhino killed for horn, tigers dying, census confirms. This is something related to the something related to the wildlife in the country, right? Right?
Ma'am, I got confused because the question it was written, you have to collect newspaper reports and pictures.
It is fine. It is okay. What you have done, it is really very good. So what you need to do is now cut short them into small pieces and then on just one single page, you can stick them, right? That is why I told you that we will be doing it in the class. Fine. Your efforts will not go in vain. What you have done is really excellent, but I wanted it this way, right?
Okay, ma'am.
Fine. Fine. Very good. Okay. So let us do the question answers. Yes. We were on the last two questions, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Sure. Scarcity of water resources is a major problem faced by many countries. Comment. This one we have to do.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who will tell this answer? Angel Anand will tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Lakshanya is
With
there
the
in the
rapid
class?
increase in
Wait a second. Lakshanya is there. I'll check. I'll check. Carry on, Angel. Carry on.
Yes, ma'am. With the rapid increase in population, modernization of agricultural techniques, increasing urbanization, and change in consumption patterns, many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity. A number of the existing sources have dried up and many others have become polluted. The regions suffering most are Northern Africa, Central and West Asia, the Middle East, parts of South Asia, parts of South America, and Central and Western Australia. Reasons for uh, water scarcity are unequal distribution of rainfall is the main reason for water scarcity. Moreover, the countries or regions that are deficient are also usually poor and underdeveloped. They cannot afford to import water from the other countries or transport water over long distances from the surplus regions. Most of these regions are densely populated, which puts pressure on the consumption of water.
Fine. What we can. Yes. Is Angel done?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. What we need to do is we need to write our answer in such a manner that we are also able to remember the points, and the answer that we are writing is covering all the important points which are required, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Like, like we will be writing this statement: scarcity of water resources is a major problem faced by many countries, right? And then you will write the main reason for water scarcity is unequal distribution of rainfall, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. After writing this, what you will switch to page 150. With the rapid increase in population, modernization of agricultural techniques, increasing urbanization, change in consumption patterns, many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity, as a number of existing sources have dried up and many others have become polluted. Right?
Ma'am, that's it.
That's it. And then you can add on the last 3 lines of page 151, left hand side, third paragraph. By the year 2025, 65 countries including India, Korea, Nigeria, Peru and Poland are likely to face shortage of water. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can anyone repeat what I have told, Bhavya?
Okay, ma'am. In the page number 151, we need to write the unequal distribution of rainfall is the main reason for the water scarcity. Then we need to come on the page number 150 under the heading of scarcity of water. With the rapid increase in population, modernization of agriculture techniques, increasing urbanization and change in consumption patterns. Many parts of the world today are faced with the problem of water scarcity. A number of existing sources have dried up and many others have become polluted. Then the last, by the year 2025, 65 countries including India, Korea, Nigeria, Peru and Poland are likely to face shortage of water.
I hope this answer is clear to everyone now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Very good. Coming to the...
ma'am.
Yes, Riddhima.
Ma'am, actually, I was asking that what is the first line of this answer?
The first line is you will be writing the statement as it is, and then you will write that rainfall, unequal distribution of rainfall is the main reason for water scarcity.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. Now coming to the third question, describe the various methods of conserving water. Who will tell this answer? Anushka will tell. Who will tell? Lakshanya is there.
Ma'am,
Yes, Anushka. Acha nahi, Riddhima. Yes, Riddhima, carry on.
describe the various methods of conserving water. The various methods of conserving water are afforestation, that is planting of trees and other plants can slow down the surface runoff and improve seepage of water in the soil. The most important use of fresh water is irrigation. Efficient irrigation methods must be used so that there is no wastage of water. Sprinklers are very effective method of irrigation as they can irrigate even undulating land. And in dry regions where evaporation rate is high, trickle or drip irrigation is useful. Industrial water may be recycled and used for cleaning and cooling the machines. In domestic use, wastage of water should be avoided. Rainwater harvesting
Yes.
is an important method of conserving water. Rainwater can be collected in storage tanks and later be used to fill up wells and tube wells.
Right.
I'm done.
Very good. Very good. Any doubts in this answer? Very well explained, beta. Very good.
No,
Fine.
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
So do I need to repeat this again?
No, ma'am.
no, ma'am.
Very good.
No, ma'am.
Very good. So here we are done with the question answers, exercises, everything we have done. Tell me, is everyone prepared with the activity?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So you all will be keeping your cameras on, class. Please keep your cameras on, everyone.
Ma'am, I have to cut the pictures and make it again.
I am suggesting you what we can do. What we can do. Do you all have the newspaper cuttings with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody has?
Ma'am, I don't have.
Okay. So it is those who don't have the newspaper cuttings, what they can do, they can use black sketch pen for writing the highlights in bold, right? Right?
Okay, ma'am.
They can simply write the main headlines in a colorful manner on a single page, or if you want to use both the pages side by side, you can use. Do not turn the page. One, the page on the left and page on the right, both should be blank, and there you can make it. Put the heading. I'm doing it on the board. I'll be sharing the board as well with you. Fine. Acha, I'll share the whiteboard only, no, here. Share the screen, whiteboard, and share. Can you see the board over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. What you can do is, you can write activity collage making. I hope this heading is clear to you people.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Then next you will write the topic. The topic is water scarcity in India. Right? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Now what you can do is, like here, I am just telling you how you can go with it, right? Anything you are putting, then again you are writing something here, again something you are writing, again you are writing something, again here, right? I hope I am.
Ma'am, I have most of the written information.
That is fine. That is fine. What you can do is the bold part you can cut and stick in the page, on the page of your notebook. Am I clear, class?
Yes,
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Now I'll tell you how to go with it. So this is one. So this is the heading, sorry. Okay. Wait.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Can we make these collages on our desktops or laptops and then just take out the printout of the collage we made on that and just stick it to our copies?
Will you be able to do that? Like, I don't mind
Yes,
you
ma'am.
doing that way. I don't mind you doing that way, but then how will you ensure
Because
that that page will fit
ma'am,
into
how
the
will I
notebook page?
on, ma'am? But I can go through internet and just make the collage on my computer, and then
Fine.
I'll get a printout.
Okay. Handwritten ज़्यादा better नहीं होगा बेटा? उससे आपके
Ma'am,
efforts
but ma'am, if collage होगा, ma'am, no ma'am, I will change the font into something like handwriting only.
चलो ठीक है. अभी देखो, I'll tell you one thing. See this, these circles that I am making, these circles are for the headlines that I have cut from the newspapers, right? I have no other way to make you understand. This is how I can make you understand. Now it is not necessary that this way only you stick. You can stick your cuttings this way as well, so that it looks like a collage, overlapping, right? But you need to ensure that the writing part that you have, it is not being cut. People are able to read the headings that you are putting with the collage. I hope I am clear.
I mean the
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Fine. Yes, Utkarsh, you are saying something?
I mean we can overlap the empty spaces in the heading.
Yes, yes, you can. That is why I used this whiteboard to make you understand. I hope I am clear and understood. Children?
Yes, ma'am.
You need to finish this activity within this period and share it on the class groups. Right?
Can we share it in the evening?
Why in the evening? Why not after the classes? You can do that, but okay. Those who will be able to finish, they can do it immediately after the class or immediately after the classes are over, or in the evening, but then not after that. Okay. Evening, you tell between which time you will be posting your work.
Around 5 to 7.
Let us make it 6 to 7.
Okay, ma'am.
Right? Okay. So
I'm
carry
on the
on
group.
on the class group.
Okay.
Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. How much time we have now? We have got, I think approximately 15 to 16 minutes, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. I think 15 minutes we'll be able to do this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. All the best.
So,
Do it.
ma'am,
And
I have to stick this in my fair copy or
yes, in the
some
fair
other
notebooks,
page?
in the fair geography notebooks. Leave pages for the geography written work. 2 questions that we have done right
Excuse
now.
me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, can a news be in Hindi?
Yes, it can be. It can be, beta. It can be. No
Okay,
issues.
ma'am.
So, ma'am, in our copy is one side ruled and one side
So
not
only
ruled,
the plain side you use for making the collage, right?
So, ma'am, only one page.
See, if you want to use both the pages, you can use. There is no problem in that.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, if I don't do anything on my activity, is it fine as it is?
No, it is not fine as it is. I just want one page. Right? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Today is 11th. Alind is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Aditi Gupta?
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya Gangwar?
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Then Agrima Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Alishba?
Present, ma'am.
Angel?
Present, ma'am.
Angel Anand?
Present, ma'am.
Ansh Patel?
Present, ma'am.
Anushka Sharma? Then Ayush Agarwal? Bhavya Tyagi?
Present, ma'am.
Chaitanya Agarwal? Karthik Chauhan?
Ma'am, present.
Okay.
Chaitanya Agarwal.
Chaitanya Agarwal. Fine. Karthike? Then Khushi Rathod? Do we have Khushi in the class? Krishna Gupta?
Present, ma'am.
Then Lakshanya. Laksh Kumar.
Ma'am, present.
Meghavi Parasar.
Present, ma'am.
Mohammad Fahim.
Present.
Muskan Chaudhary.
Present, ma'am.
Navya Goyal.
Present, ma'am.
Neeruz. Neeruz is not there. Payal Gangwar. Neeruz is not attending her classes here. Last class also she did not attend. Pita, is she attending her classes?
No, ma'am.
Oh, ma'am.
Okay, Payal Gangwar. Pranjal Gupta. Pratyush Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Priya Gangwar. Then Ridhima Lama. Saksham Patel.
Present, ma'am.
Okay, Saksham Sahu.
Yes, ma'am. Present.
Swastik Sansaria. Tanishka Chaudhary.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Tarini, not there. Utkarsh Tomar. Ved Agarwal.
Yes, ma'am. Utkarsh, ma'am. Yes.
Present, ma'am. Ved Agarwal present.
Okay, Vidushi
Present, ma'am.
and Yash Raj. Yash Raj is also not attending her classes.
Ma'am, he has attended first class.
Okay, after that he didn't attend. Huh? Let me check who all have given fake attendance on the class group.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, is this the right heading?
Just a second. हाँ हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. हाँ, very good.
So, ma'am, we have to only like stick the
Main
bold
headings. Bold one and listen, bold one, and you can take a few lines of the detailing also.
Okay, ma'am.
हाँ.
Ma'am, I have some pictures like baseline water stress, demand of water. Ma'am, I can stick them.
Yes, you can show. Show it.
Ma'am, I have stick like this.
Huh? Wait. Very good. This is also nice. This is also nice. Good. Very good, Aditya.
Thank you.
Can we write news in Hindi also?
Try to write in English. If English is not available, then you can go for Hindi. Otherwise, write in Hindi.
Okay,
If you're writing, write in English. Huh?
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, Navya.
Ma'am, please see this one. Ma'am, there
Yeah.
it is written water scarcity has been a persistent problem. So ma'am, can I stick
You
this?
can cut this and write. You can cut this and write. See, wherever children, wherever you feel that the writing part is more, impressive, there you can only cut that writing portion and stick it. No need to go for every headline, right?
Okay.
Children completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, carry on. Carry on.